G'day, my name is John Stevenson and this is Bob.
G'day.
From Seymours Quality Used Cars. We're a family-owned dealership established for over 20 years in Newcastle under the big blue marquee at 112 Tudor Street, Hamilton, offering affordable quality used cars.
Guaranteed.
It's our pleasure to offer this quality vehicle you have inquired about.
Please enjoy this virtual tour with my son John.
See more value, see more deals. See more at Seymours. See Bob or John, your next wheels. See more at Seymours.
Seymours, the established dealership under the big blue marquee in Tudor Street, Hamilton, offering top quality used vehicles guaranteed. So see for yourself while everyone's singing.
See more at Seymours. See more at Seymours.
Tudor Street, Hamilton.
See more value, see more deals. See more at Seymours. See Bob or John, your next wheels. See more at Seymours.
Seymours, the established
See more
dealership.
value, see more deals. See more at Seymours. See Bob or John, your next wheels. See more at Seymours.
Seymours, the established dealership under the big blue marquee in Tudor Street, Hamilton, offering top quality used vehicles guaranteed. So see for yourself while everyone's singing.
See more at Seymours. See more at Seymours.
Tudor Street, Hamilton.
For further information, you can call our office on 4969 3424.
See you soon.